Welcome to my craft room. Thank you for joining me. I thought I would show you some of the cards that I've been working on lately and just show you them in a little bit more detail than what you can see on a photo on Facebook or Instagram. So today I've been using craft card blanks. So you get your cards and envelopes. These are an absolute bargain at the moment. They're in home bargains and you get 10 cards and 10 envelopes and only £1. So that works out at 10 pence per card and envelope, which I think is fantastic value. So this is the stag sheet. You get your backing paper, you get your topper and your sentiment all on the one sheet. So everything's beautifully colour coordinated for you. Everything matches. This was printed on a lovely photo paper to give it a nice glossy look. And then all I've done is I have added some beautiful green ribbon. I've folded that round and then I've secured it underneath and glued it in place. So when the topper goes on top, it's hiding the mechanics. You can't see how the ribbon was put on there. Then I've put a layer of gold mirror card. Then I have used some craft card, which I've embossed with a script design on it. I've lightly brushed over the top with a white ink pad, just to add a little bit of a white finish. Then again with some more gold mirror card, and then the topper, and then the sentiment has been die cut, and then I've popped some layers of die cuts on. This one I've coloured it with a little bit of a green ink, and then I've added some little fake berries using my liquid pearls, and then popped some gems in the corners, and then that's that one done. I hope you like it. Stay tuned, there's lots more cards to come. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.